Oh my God. Good Monday morning. I've got some exciting news for today's vlog. We've got a business recession update. A lot of things have changed, a lot of exciting things, a lot of good news, but I gotta get you caught up to speed. Last week, I tried to film a video where I went and analyzed a potential investment property. Since I have my real estate license, I get 3% commission on any house I buy. And with FHA being only 3.5% down, that's a 0.5% down payment. Not too bad. So anyway, I was going and I was looking at this multifamily deal. But before that, I went and helped my grandmother with grandmother things. It's literally 10 a.m. and there's already a group of full 6 people partying by the pool. Unlike those people, we're out here working. And what do big shots do first thing in the morning? They help their grandmother. Although I'm not really a big shot. I'm shooting blanks over here.
Brought my weapon.
Apparently she was able to capture this plant in the wild.
I guess it's being punished.
Yeah, she must have captured it.
Waterboarding it.
Bring it here for punishment. We've got some of these and that. Oh wait, maybe she grows tennis balls in it.
Oh, there we go.
Ow! Dog simulation.
Dog level.
Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Come on. Yeah, this works perfect.
Yeah,
It
he
closes
goes
right up.
All right, we're back at Keller Williams, but for a different reason. I need to get a thumbnail. I think it was yesterday or the day before I filmed my first day as a real estate agent. I think that video might do well. I don't know what to do for a thumbnail, so we just came back and I saw the words here, but there's a tree in the way, so we're gonna try to get a thumbnail. And this is my least favorite part, looking like an absolute dingus trying to get a thumbnail.
Oh my God, it's over 90 degrees, but I think we got it. Oh.
The book on investing in real estate with low and no money down. This is a really, really short book. I guess it just says get a fucking job. Oh my God, I'm absolutely going to violate this pizza. Okay, so I get home and I find this new house on the MLS, or not new house, it's quite old. This house on the MLS, freshly listed for sale. It was $105,000 for a duplex, only about 16 minutes away from me. And there's 2 current tenants in there. It appears to definitely be in better shape, and it's clearly habitable because there's 2 tenants paying a little over $500 each. Take a look for yourself. I mean, that house is literally falling apart. You could shoot a horror movie there. So that was one unit. I don't know exactly where the other one is. Maybe it's on the back. Let's pull around the back here, see if we can. And if there's not a car out front, I want to get out. The problem is the listing on the MLS had no pictures of the interior. None whatsoever. But I'm not too worried about the interior because I know it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be a pretty hefty rehab. That's fine. Oh God, there's someone walking there, baby. Oh my God. Listen, I can't invest in a neighborhood where the median home price is cheaper than my car. Yeah, so here's the thing with that. When I was going and looking through the footage, I put in on my editor the timeline where I showed the image of the MLS, and then I went back and looked at my footage. I was at the wrong fucking house. I didn't even go to the right house. Now I know what you're saying. Grayson, why didn't you just turn around and go look at the right house? Well, as you saw in the video, it was one of the worst neighborhoods I've ever seen, and I didn't even know it got that bad in my city. But I also did mention how I got this new client. It's $100 per podcast edit. The podcast's only 20 minutes, and I don't have to edit it. All I have to do is put some stock footage over it, and it took me about 30 minutes, and it's $100 a pop. So basically $100 a pop for 30 minutes, but I hire someone else to do it for 15 on Upwork, and then I'm netting $85. Literally multiple times a week. That's hundreds of dollars a month in passive income. Anyway, the first edit did really well. and then I got ghosted. That seems to be what's happening with a lot of clients these days. People just don't have as much disposable income with this inflation, and I'm getting ghosted. But the good news, I'm starting to have more clients come to me. I have a very high-paying client literally going to film a 2-minute video tomorrow at 10 a.m. for $1,350. People are watching the vlogs a little bit more than my usual stuff, so they've been signing up for the Webull sponsorship, which gives you guys 6 free stocks, and it gives me $60 per person that signs up for their free app. I mean, it's like the best win-win deal ever. Speaking of that, if you would like some free stocks, every single video is sponsored by Webull, my favorite online stock brokerage that I've been using for almost 4 years, and I've never paid them a dime. The app is free, no subscriptions, no commissions on trading. Better yet, when you sign up, they're gonna pay you instead of the other way around. That's right, you're gonna get paid in the form of a sign-up bonus. 6 free stocks, valued all the way up to $12,600, although most of the stocks are anywhere from like $3 to $20, but times 6, it's just free money. And you can either sell those stocks, buy the dip, exponentially grow your wealth, or you can just cash it out into your bank account. All you gotta do is click the link in my description, download Webull, totally free, fund your account with as little as just 1 cent so they can put all those stocks into your account. You can then sell them and put them back into your bank, baby. Anyway, let's get into the exciting part.
Okay, I just broke this microphone for like the 100th time, and as you can tell, I've fixed it with a penny for the past like 2 years because I'm a cheap bastard. So, excuse the audio quality, but we're gonna have to raw dog it for the duration of this video. But, on top of more clients coming in, on top of more people signing up for Webull, I have got my first real estate listing. My great-grandparents have decided that they would like to move to a retirement community. They don't need their house anymore, so they've asked me to sell. And I've got several real estate leads so far, but this is the first one that has fully said, I'm ready to sell. Which is awesome, because you know what it means when you sell a house? I get the commission, but you get to have an open house. And you know what an open house means? A bunch of people frothing at the mouth, looking for a good deal, looking for a good house. You know, bright-eyed first-time home buyers. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna pull out not my gun, my wallet, and then I'm gonna hand them one of these little bastards. Ka-chow, you need an agent? Give me a call. This house probably has multiple cash offers above asking, but I can help you get something in the area very similar in your budget. So, it's a very good opportunity. However, I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. But you know what the best part is? Is I'm gonna hire a transaction coordinator. She's gonna do all the heavy lifting for me. Ah, that's where the key goes. All right, let's see if I can open the shackle. Woo! All right, it is a nice, crisp 91 degrees, and it's a beautiful day to go transact some real estate.
Here we are at the sellers, aka great-grandparents. I'm gonna go in, set them up an email, get them on DocuSign, and I'm gonna film a little video. Wish me luck. All right, it is over 100 degrees. I'm dying. I just filmed the video. I had to go there and set up their email because they don't have DocuSign or any of that stuff. But I couldn't get my freaking hotspot to work. Okay, I gotta call my transaction coordinator and hire her real quick. But let's run through the numbers since I'm just sitting at McDonald's anyway. Basically, I ran a CMA, and I'll show you the CMA right here, because I'm kind of proud of it. But basically, it tells you with the MLS what your house, you know, the low, median, average, and high sale prices. The average sale price came to $265, but the MLS data was wrong because it said a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but it was a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Plus it's got a security, plus it's got irrigation, plus it's got a double-sided fireplace, and plus it's just a cool property. So we're gonna list it for $275. Now, the reason I came up with that number, and it's higher than the CMA, is because it's in a hot area. Nixa is hot, not a lot of houses on the market. There's like 1.6 months of inventory. And they said they listed it for $299 about a year ago because they wanted to buy another property. They wanted too much for their house and they wanted to underbid the other one. But now they're moving into retirement and they're ready to move quick, and they're gonna move into a community. But they said that when they took it off the market and when the other house sold and they're like, okay, we don't want to sell anymore, people were beating down their door trying to get the house for $280,000. So let's work off of that number because clearly they said they had like 3 people wanting it for $280. So if we take $280,000 and we do 3%, that's $8,400. But we got to pay our good friend Keller Williams. 30%
for all of your deals, plus a 6% franchise fee, which comes out to me keeping 64%. So times 0.64, my commission would be $5,376, but we've got to pay our good friend transaction coordinator $250. That leaves me with a net profit of $5,126 before taxes. But I've got tricks for taxes, and I have for years because I own another business. So basically, over $5,000 is going to be what I'm going to make off of this sale. And I'm probably an hour of work in total. So I'm looking forward to it. That's the numbers. That's the story. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog when I go to my newest client, Nixa Public Schools, and film a video for them. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to sign up for Weeble.